Noor's team makes warm welcome quilts in 2 sizes for newcomer families. The bigger quilt is 11 by 11 patches. The smaller quilt is 9 by 9 patches. How many more patches does the bigger quilt use? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Do not compute each square separately. Use the 2 squares trick from the foundation video. Let us draw both quilts. The 11 by 11 quilt has 121 patches. The 9 by 9 quilt has 81 patches. Subtracting 81 from 121 by hand is annoying. Use the 2 squares trick. 11 squared minus 9 squared equals 11 plus 9 times 11 minus 9. Now the math is easy. 11 plus 9 is 20. 11 minus 9 is 2. So the answer is 20 times 2. That is 40. Let us check the slow way. 11 squared is 121. 9 squared is 81. 121 minus 81 is 40. Same answer. The trick gave us 40 in seconds. 40 more patches. The bigger quilt uses 40 more patches than the smaller quilt. The answer is 40. The 2 squares trick turned 121 minus 81 into 20 times 2. When the 2 sides are close together, the trick is dramatic. Try it on your own pair. 13 squared minus 11 squared. That is 13 plus 11, which is 24, and 13 minus 11, which is 2. So 24 times 2 is 48. Done in your head. The next level hides this trick inside a design clue that does not even tell you the sides. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.